good idea to divert waste. Why waste resources when they can be turned back into something useful?
It is so simple.
Well, you just have a trash container and a recycle container, and it's going to go in one or the other, so.
You don't have to separate the cans, you don't have to separate the plastics. It all goes into one container.
Single stream recycling is coming to you. It's fast, it's easy, and you can recycle more things than ever before.
Bringing single stream recycling to these apartment complexes will help, the city in its goal of reducing waste, and will help students, feel better about how convenient it is.
You may have heard about recycling programs where you had to separate the plastic from the cans and the paper. Well, not anymore. The great thing about single stream recycling is all of these recyclables can be tossed together in the same container. Maybe something small like this, or larger, whatever you prefer to take out and empty at the centrally located recycling containers here in your apartment complex.
When my basket's full, I take it downstairs and they have a bin for you to put it in there. There's no dividing, there's no wondering, what goes where. It's just one place. It's easy.
I use a plain cardboard box right there by my trash, and I just take it out to the containers out here and just dump it there, and then they miraculously disappear.
Here's what goes into your recycling container. Paper, things like junk mail, newspapers, and magazines. Cardboard, cereal boxes, shipping and shoe boxes. And empty containers made of plastic, aluminum, metal, or glass. So take a look at all these things that are recyclable. Containers, whether it be glass, aluminum, or plastic. And then there's cans as well, either metal or aluminum. And take a look at all the different paper and cardboard things that can go in recycling. Things like junk mail, newspaper, food containers, paper towel rolls. All of these things can go in your recycling bin together.
Well, I pretty much stay with the newspapers, all the papers, all the envelopes, the cans, the jars, the sodas, my plastic containers.
When I open a can or anything plastic, I look on the bottom to see if it's got that recycle symbol. And if it does, I recycle it. If it doesn't, I dump it in the garbage.
But remember, all of these things need to be emptied before going in the recycling bin. The containers are recyclable, but not the contents. In any can or container that's had food in it, we ask that you rinse those out first.
And our trash goes out maybe once every 3 weeks because we're diverting so much of it to these recycling bins.
Here's something else that's important. Plastic bags are not recyclable. So if you do bundle your recyclables in a bag like this, be sure to empty out the recyclables at the container, but the bag itself, not recyclable.
I keep out the plastic bags. I know pizza boxes aren't allowed.
Here are some of the other things that should not go into your recycling cart. Garbage, plastic bags, styrofoam, pet food bags, pet waste, light bulbs, batteries, motor oil bottles, aerosol cans, coat hangers, clothes, garden hoses. When Texas Disposal Systems picks up all the recyclables from your complex, they take it here to their recycling processing facility right here in the local area. This is where everything that you put into the bin is separated, processed, and sent to market so it can be reused. It saves trees and other natural resources, saves energy, and helps keep our air and water clean.
Knowing that I'm part of a solution to this materials problem and landfill space problem, just being part of that is rewarding for myself.
It's easy, it's simple, it's the old KISS method, keep it simple. And the single stream really does keep it simple.